Hi, I'm Brett with LifeX Mastery, and today's video article is going to be about how to have attractive and approachable body language. Now, before we get started, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button below. This will help our channel grow, and YouTube will start displaying our videos in searches around the world. And if you want to follow us socially on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us under LifeX Mastery, and we'd love to have you. Growing up, my dad used to tell me that there are two types of people in the world. There are sheep, and then there are sheep herders. There's leaders and there are followers. But there's a select group of people in the middle that just go with the flow and don't care either way. In my experience, it's been the leaders or the sheep herders that's always gotten the attention. And why is that? There's a whole psychology wrapped around the attraction to leaders. But basically it comes down to confidence. And people are attracted to confident people. I'm sure you've heard how men and women in uniform are sexy and attractive. It's not necessarily the uniform or the clothing that people wear, but rather the way they present themselves as an individual. In today's video, I'm going to give you 7 tips on how to be more approachable with attractive body language. The kind of body language that gains immediate attention because it expresses self-awareness and confidence that most people just don't have. Alright, let's get started. Tip number 1. Eye contact. Now, I cover tips on attractive eye contact in another video. But eye contact is part of body language. If someone's interested in you or wants to speak to you, they immediately look at your eyes to get your attention. If you look away or down and deflect any type of reciprocal eye contact, you'll be viewed as standoffish or uninterested. In the same respect, you want to be careful not to stare someone down or glare at them or give them a piercing gaze, but provide soft, direct eye contact that expresses that you're open to being communicated with or approached. Guys are famous for looking at girls, and as soon as the girl looks back at him, he looks away. That's one of the worst things a guy can do, especially if he's attracted to that girl. It just shows weakness and insecurity, and a guaranteed missed opportunity. So be sure to have open and inviting eye contact so the other person knows you're confident and interested. Tip number 2. Smile. Once you've made eye contact with somebody, especially someone you're attracted to, smile. Smiling is the easiest way to show someone that you're interested and you're open to being approached. A warm, genuine smile instantly brightens up and opens your face. Typically, when we smile at someone, the other person inevitably feels forced to smile back. And smiling helps release neurotransmitters in the brain. Those are the things that make you feel good, like dopamine, serotonin, endorphins. And so these chemicals aid in keeping your heart rate and blood pressure in check and calming your nervous system. So each time you smile, it's like a little feel-good party dancing on your insides. Tip number 3. Appear available. It doesn't matter how much you want someone to come talk to you, or how much you wish you could go talk to somebody else. Feeling like that gets you nowhere. Actions are what matter. Standing around with your face in your phone, texting or playing on social media doesn't exude availability. Sitting behind a desk with your head down or face in your computer screen offers the same impression. If you want to be approached or you're wanting to approach someone, you have to give the appearance of being open and available. This doesn't mean you have to run around high-fiving people and giving hugs. Just don't sit around slumped over and being distracted on your cell phone. You want to make sure that people won't feel as if they're an interruption. So look up and around, make eye contact, and smile, so that people know that you're there and you're happy and you're open to being approached. Tip number 4. Avoid barrier blocking. When you present yourself around someone you find attractive or around a group of people, it's important that you keep your body open as much as possible. This shows that you're confident and comfortable in your space. Remove any type of barriers such as crossed arms, standing behind a counter, or sitting behind a desk. Especially focus on not having crossed arms. This just shows you're closed off, and you're being defensive to some degree. When you're defensive, you'll make other people feel uncomfortable and defensive as well. Tip number 5. Look engaged. When you're interacting with someone, you need to always look like you're engaged, whether you're interested in what the other person is talking about or not. An attractive person shows undivided attention and appreciation for what the other person is talking about. You want to make sure that your body language and posture is fixed on the other person, and that you're not slumped over or turned to the side. The same thing goes with eye contact, and keeping your focus on the person you're engaged with. Looking down or looking around a lot will immediately give the other person the feeling that you're disinterested. When giving feedback or replying to the conversation, speak as though you're invested in that interaction. Provide thoughtful, direct feedback. And if you don't have anything to give back, show interest by asking questions that continues the conversation. Tip number 6. Relaxed, confident posture. When it comes to human interaction, nothing is more comfortable and inviting than someone who's confident and who is a good listener. So when you're engaged with somebody, stand up straight or sit up straight. Keep your body turned in the direction of the other person. Even lean in a little, as if to show you're really interested in what they have to say. When you're speaking, pause from time to time to draw the other person into you more. And you'll hear me say this again and again. Providing soft, confident eye contact, direct eye contact, shows that you are listening and you are engaged. While sitting, keep legs slightly apart and keep from crossing your arms. When we cross our arms or cross our legs, we appear to be closed off to the things or people around us. Now typically when women sit, they cross their legs. It's just a comfortable thing for them to do. As a matter of fact, I like to sit and cross my legs too. And that's because I have a sciatic issue, and it feels good because it stretches it out. So in that case, you really want to focus on your arms, your eye contact and facial expressions. If you want somebody to be really drawn and attracted to you, focus your attention on your interaction with them solely. Don't look at your phone. Don't look around. Don't pay attention to anything but the interaction that you're having with this person. People want to be wanted. So if you give the appearance that you have no distractions, and that this person is the most important thing in your world at the moment, you will win them over almost instantly. Tip number 7. Manage the tone of your voice. You want to communicate with confidence. The tone of our voices is the way that we communicate situations and feelings. But when it comes to attraction, you want to be able to manage your tone of voice in a way that shows you're in control, that you're interested. Speaking too fast will show that you're excited or hyper, but speaking too slow will show that you're kind of a sloth and lazy. Manage your speed and tone of voice to keep the other person intrigued and engaged. There are so many more ways to have attractive and approachable body language, and I know you have ideas that you can share. So, leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below, and help other people around the world to have a more attractive body language. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up.